Morning everyone, it's Karen with Happily Planning with Karen, and today I'm going to show you how I make my own script stickers. I've had lots of requests because I know a lot of you are like me, fed up of having to buy them and want to make your own. So I actually have a portrait cutting machine with Silhouette, so I'm going to be using the Silhouette software. So I hope this makes it easy, and I hope it's something that you enjoy doing as I do. Now, to create your stickers, first of all, what you want to do is click there on the letter, and we're going to then type our word. So I'm making a Primark sticker first of all. Once I've done that, I'm then going to select the whole word, and I'm going to choose the font. So I scroll down to find the font I'd like, and I use the Stay and Shine one. So that's just making it a little bit different. Next, I'm going to colour in the whole of that word black, and then I'm also going to do the outer line black. If I don't change the outer line, it means it will cut it to the shape of the word, and for me, I get lots of issues with that, so I just do it in a square box. Next, I'm going to type another word, but this time I'm going to use a completely different font, so it looks different, and it's going to all be with the same sticker. So I'm going to go back onto my fonts and choose a script. So I want it to be a very strong word and then a scripted word. So I'm going to choose one, and I think I have a go here at trying different fonts, and that's what you can do. Once it's highlighted, you can look at all the different fonts and choose the one that you'd like. This is the fun bit. Am I happy? I am. So now I'm going to colour that in black, and again do the line in black. If you don't, you'll have another cutting line, which obviously you don't want. We're then going to position that. Now the two words are two separate words, and we need to join them together. So I'm now going to, before I join them together, I'm going to put a box around them. And I want to make sure that this box is a red box, because this box is going to be a cutting box. It doesn't matter what colour you choose, but you need your cutting box to be different to the whole of the sticker. So if you do a sticker sheet, that will be a different colour because they're cut out differently. This one will be a kiss cut, where it comes off the paper, and then the big outline one will be where it completely separates from the large A4 sheet of paper. I've now just joined it all together, so as I move it, it's one complete word with the box around it. Next, I want to size it. Now, when I size my stickers, you first of all want to lock that little lock, and I'm going to change the width. I want it to be about 1.2 because my Hobonichi cousin is 1.25. When I do that, because I've locked it, it'll change the height at the same time. Now the height's still a bit too big, so I'm going to just change the height now, and I've lowered it, and there it is. Now if you don't lock it to start with, you're going to find that they get quite distorted. So if you lock it, then change it, and then make any tweaks on whether you want the width or the height to be bigger or smaller. Do that individually. That's what I found works. Next of all, then I've put a blue border around it, because that's what you do to put all your stickers on your sheet. But I'm not going to use that one because I've already made one in advance. So the actual Primark sticker has got a red border, and then the outer border of my sticker sheet is blue, because as I said, they'll be cut differently. Next, I'm now going to copy that down so I don't have to keep creating the sticker. It's already there for me, and I'm just going to position it now within that box so that there's a gap between each one, so that when I cut it, they won't all come off together. I don't do anything with my stickers other than put them in the album, put them in the my little booklet, so they're all ready for me to choose. So if the gap's not quite perfect, it really doesn't matter so long as they're all there. Once I'm happy with it, I'm going to move that outer border, because now I'm going to group all of those together There you go. Just go down, group them all together, and then I'm going to copy them to the side. So just copy those, and 2 will appear. There you go. Put my template back over the top, and then I can position those stickers within my template. So I'm just dragging them across now because I've already joined them as a group. There you go. Once I'm happy with that, I now want to make the outer template and the stickers all as one. So I'm now going to group that all together. And there you've got your first template already. I'm now going to copy it down, because what I found when I print these off is if I have one at the top and 2 sidewards, it prints nicely. If I do it so there's a 4 on there, my printer doesn't like it. So that's what I do. So I've just turned it to a 45-degree turn, and I've copied that. So now I can position them on my paper. And you want to make sure you're within the cut lines. And I also make sure I'm within the grey line. That just works for me and my machine. And the tip is, if you're cutting over night time, make sure you've got a light shining on your silhouette machine, because that'll help it read the labels and it will cut really nicely for you. Once you've then selected it and put it all in place, the next bit is to print it off. You just go down and you just print off. Once you've printed off your stickers, then it's just a case of sending it, that top corner, sending it. It will then come up and you'll have your different options for how you're going to cut. Now each machine is differently, and I'm just going to put in here what works for my machine. Now for some reason I've got 2 lots of red lines, so I'm going to figure out which is my box cut line and which isn't. So we know that we need the top one in to cut those boxes. Or rather the third one even. There you go. So now we know that's what we need to have in. So I need to change that. I need to make it into a white sticker paper, because we want this kiss cut, so it doesn't go all the way through. And then these are the measurements that I find work best for my silhouette machine. You'll find out what works best for you, and it depends on how new it is, the force you use, the newness of the blade. But I find 12 and 10 works perfectly for me. I then also change the blade setting, and I like this on 5 to 6, and that's for my actual sticker. But now I want to change the outer border, the blue border, for the sticker sheet, and I want it to cut completely all the way through. So I do a stronger force and a slower speed, and then I get so that my blade's more out. And that's it. Once you've done all of that, then you just make sure you put your paper on your template and put it through your silhouette. It's so easy, and it's the best thing I've ever done. So I hope that's helped. I know to find a video on how to make stickers is very hard, and my way really is the simple way. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys. Bye for now.